How to fix mobile data not working on iPhone. If your mobile data is not working on your iPhone, you can try the following steps to fix this issue. First of all you have to do is open the Settings app on your mobile device. Inside the Settings app, tap on the cellular option available there, or mobile data depending on your region or your iPhone version. Once inside the cellular or mobile data, simply toggle on the cellular data and off it again. You need to toggle mobile data off and on. Now after done so, simply go back to the settings again. Once you go back to the settings, there you will get to see airplane mode option available at the top. Ensure your airplane mode is off, or you can simply toggle it on and off it again. Make sure the airplane mode icon is not enabled, it should be gray. Now once the airplane mode is done, try restarting your iPhone. Hold down the power button and volume up button, or just the power button on older models, until you see the side to power off slider. Now slide to turn off, then turn your iPhone back on after a few seconds. Now go back to the settings again, and this time simply tap on the general option available there. Inside general, scroll down till the bottom, and there you will get to see transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it, tap on reset, then tap on reset network settings. This will reset your Wi-Fi passwords, VPN settings and other network configurations, but it can often fix connectivity issues as well. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.